Hello friends, in the discussion on the income tax cases, today we will discuss a very important case on section 147-148 assessment. Majority of the decisions in which the litigation is there are related to section 147-148. The name of the case is KALINGA Institute of Industrial Technology versus Assistant Commissioner of Income Tax, and this case has been reported in 450 ITR at page number 657. The matter has been decided by ORISSA High Court and the date of the judgment is 21st July 2022. In this case, the assessment of the assessee was completed under section 143 subsection 3 on 30th December 2016. During the assessment proceedings, the assessee filed all the necessary documents which were necessary for the assessment, like tax audit report, balance sheet and other explanations which were asked from the assessee under section 142 subsection 1. After some time, the assessing officer felt that there are some points in the tax audit report which can enhance the taxable income of the assessee. So, on the basis of the information in the tax audit report, which was also available at the time of the original assessment under section 143, and other information which was there in the books of accounts which were available on the assessment records, the assessing officer reopened the assessment of the assessee under section 148. The assessment was concluded. The matter was before the Honorable Orissa High Court. The matter travelled up to the Orissa High Court. In this case, the High Court said that the concluded assessments cannot be reopened casually. There are some decorum, there is some procedure, there are some conditions on the basis of which the concluded assessments can be reopened. One of the main conditions is that when the assessing officer is having some different information which was not available on the record at the time of the assessment, in that case, the concluded assessment of the assessee can be reopened. For example, if the information comes to the department when someone has filed a complaint to the assessing officer, when the information has been received by the assessing officer from GST department or the investigation wing of the income tax department or some other department like police department or the CBI or something like that. And in that case also, it is the duty of the assessing officer to correlate that information with the income of the assessee. That is, he has to apply his mind before issuing the notice under section 148, because there should be a live link between the information available with the assessing officer and the income of the assessee. For example, some information comes to the assessing officer that assessee has some credits near about 5 crore into the bank account, and the assessee has shown only the income of 5 lakh or 6 lakh. So, in that case, the assessment can be reopened. But in this particular case, the assessing officer issued the notice under section 148 to the assessee on the basis of the tax audit report and the information which were already there into the assessment records. So in this case, the Orissa High Court said that in the garb of reassessment, change of opinion is not allowed. If it will be allowed, then there will be no certainty to the assessments which have been completed, and there will be a continuous litigation. So if the department wants to reopen the case, then the department should have concrete information, some reasons to believe that the income has escaped assessment on the basis of the new information which is available with the department. So with the same set of books, with the same set of information, with the same set of audit report, whether it is tax audit report or the company's audit report, you cannot do the reassessment of the assessee under section 147 read with section 148. Friends, this case is very important because we see that the notice under section 148 are issued very casually. So there is some procedure, there is some system, there are some rules of law according to which the notice under section 148 is to be issued, and that should be followed. At the end of this deliberation, I am once again repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Kalinga Institute of Industrial Technology versus Assistant Commissioner of Income Tax, and this case has been reported in 450 ITR, page number 657. The matter has been decided by ORISSA High Court and the date of the judgment is 21st July 2022. Thank you, friends.